Hey everyone, it's Melissa. Today's video is showing some clothes that I recently bought from Banana Republic Factory. And before, I'm going to show the clothes and then I'll do a little fashion show type thing where I think I'll probably narrate it. But, and I did it all in one full sweep. So some of them, maybe I didn't tuck things in right or something because I didn't even look at myself in the mirror. I just put the clothes on, posed in front of the camera, went and switched the next outfit, did it all in one take. So, but that'll give you an idea of, how things look and everything. But I'm going to tell you about sizing. I think, now this is the factory, so things are going to sell out quick. In fact, some of the things I have bought, they may not be available anymore. I don't know. I know one of the tops that I have is already sold out in the color that I have, but they do still have black the last time I looked. But these things go fast because the prices are so good. They cut them anyway, then they'll have extra sales on top of that. So it's a good way to get some really nice clothes at a good price with beautiful, they have beautiful neutrals, beautiful jewel colors. But I want to talk a little bit about this sizing. I feel like Banana Republic in general has kind of vanity sizing. So do size down a little, don't size up. Do either your size or maybe go a size smaller. And there's one pair of pants that I got a tall, because I always wear a tall. And the difference in the regular and the tall was just like inches, inches and inches. So I'm going to have to hem the tall. And when I got some more of them, the pants, I got them in the regular size. So some of them may need to be hemmed, but if you get such a good price on really pretty pants, it might be worth them to hem them. I got the wrap sweater midi skirt. I got it in two colors, champagne toast and midnight lily. The midnight lily, I think it might look kind of purple in my pictures. Actually almost a burgundy brownish color, but it is really, really pretty. The next one are vegan suede skinny jeans. Doesn't feel like regular suede. It's a little bit softer, but I really like them a lot. And you wash them by turning them wrong side out. Wash them. It says you can throw them in the dryer under low. I don't. I just hang them up to let them dry and then, turn them right side out. But no problems with that, with washing them so far. I got them in the colors. I got 3 of them. I got them in the color New Heritage Olive, New Classic Camel, and Black. I got some slouchy boots in the color Tobacco, which is kind of a medium tan. And I think I'm going to wear those a whole lot with jeans or skirts or dresses. I will get a lot of wear out of them. And most of the boots that I have are black, so I just saw these slouchy ones and I thought they were really cute. So I bought those. I got 2 new necklaces. So one of them is layered and one of them just comes straight down. I got 2 of what they call forever sweaters, just a simple sweater, and it's really comfortable. It doesn't itch at all, and I'm very sensitive to things that itch me. If they have any kind of, well, definitely not any kind of wool, but even certain acrylics will just scratch me to death, and I just can't take it. I got one in light toffee, which is kind of a tan color, and the other in the color ivory. So I feel like that those are just going to go with everything and just really serve me well all winter long. I got a vegan suede belted top, another one of those. You just turn it wrong side out before you wash it and then hang it up to dry. I wouldn't put any of this stuff in the dryer, but wash it very, very delicately on hand wash. Just be real gentle with it. I got the deep chocolate color, and this top is even, the pictures don't do it justice. It is stunning in person. They've got an olive and they've got black. I may get the black. It's just beautiful. I think I will because it's only $30 and it's very much worth a $30 top. It's gorgeous. I think I'm going to add it right now to my list and get that. It's beautiful. I think that's everything, so I'm going to show me modeling it, and like I said, I just did it all in one swoop, so it may not be perfect, but you should at least get an idea how it looks on somebody walking around. Okay, the skirt is the wrap sweater midi skirt, and it's in the color Midnight Lily. The top is the Forever sweater in the color Ivory, and the boots are the slouchy boots in the color Tobacco. I just really like this outfit, and it's not quite as purple, the skirt is, and it's more of a burgundy color in life. And this is one of the necklaces I got. I showed both of them earlier, I believe. Okay, these jeans are the vegan suede skinny jeans in the color New Heritage Olive, and then it's the Forever sweater that I had on before, and the slouchy boots. These were a little long, so they're kind of bunched up because I got the tall, but I decided to keep them anyway. I'm just going to have them hemmed, but it's sort of bunched up a little bit because they're so long. I had to end up getting the size regular, which is very unusual for me because I usually take a tall on everything. And then the next one's this skirt is the wrap sweater midi skirt again in the color Champagne Toast, and the top is the vegan suede belted top again. I love this top. I think they only have black left, and my slouchy boots again, and the necklace. But this top is just, me wearing it on here does not do it justice. It is absolutely beautiful. Just love it. And there's the same top with vegan suede skinny jeans. These are the in the color New Classic Camel. So a very wearable off-white, and I've got those stuffed into my slouchy boots with the original top that I had on. And then I wore it with an off-the-shoulder sweater in a dark chocolate that I bought a while back, and that sweater is actually still available at Banana Republic. So, just like that. And I wanted to show what they look like with kind of just a low kitten heel, the pants. And then here's the vegan suede skinny jeans, again in the same kind of tan color, but I want to show them with a kind of a button-down shirt. This was actually my husband's shirt, and some more combat boots, so you could kind of see what they look like with combat boots. I just think they're a real versatile pant to wear, and like I didn't take a lot of trouble tucking them in or doing anything at the bottom. I could have done a better job, but you can kind of see what they look like with combat boots. And then the next one, these are the vegan suede skinny jeans again in the color black. These are with heels, so you can see the length of them and everything, with just a plain white shirt. So these you can kind of dress them up. Very much so. But I really like this outfit a lot. And the same outfit, just with a pair of short black boots. These are old. I've had them for a bit, but you can kind of see what they look like with the boots, and kind of fiddle with the bottom. I didn't, try tucking them in, rolling it up a little bit to get it to a smooth line at the bottom. And then these are the same black pants, jeans that I had, and this is another Forever sweater in the color Light Toffee, which I love that color, and then I put it on with the slouchy boots again, so that kind of gives you an idea of what that outfit looks like. But those sweaters are just going to be great to wear all winter long. They just don't scratch at all, and my skin is just so sensitive to stuff like that. I break out and I just go crazy itching. So those are the clothes. So I hope you enjoyed that. I'm just kind of in love with Banana Republic Factory. I really am. the days that I bought these, I think the prices may have gone back up again, but then there is an extra 20% off on some of them. Check often and maybe you can get some good deals. I happen to get like on days where it would say today only an extra, on top of the regular reduced price, an extra 25% off. And so I would grab some things I wanted back right then. So I ended up not exactly, I noticed the prices that I paid for are a little bit different from the prices that are on the website now. So keep looking, and if you see something you like, if there seems to be plenty of them and in plenty of colors, because things do go fast, maybe kind of keep an eye on it and see if it goes down even further, or if there's a day where they have an extra 25% off. So keep an eye out. I think that you can probably get a pretty good deal on some really, really pretty clothes. So I hope you enjoyed that. I sure do appreciate it. Take care. Have a wonderful week. I am actually going to do a whole lot this weekend, I think, because my grandkids are off school for fall break, and I think I'm going to take them like to Rock City, up to Knoxville, to the Museum of Appalachia. There's a train ride loop that goes on kind of down from us. I might try to do that. I kind of have something planned each day, so I want to experience the beauty of fall here in East Tennessee. So I'm determined to do it this year. So thank you for watching. Appreciate it. Take care. Love you all and stay safe, and talk to you in a couple of days. Bye-bye.